Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I just made a video about this today, and somebody's already put their input in, uh, and I did know it, and I was showing the long way around, and I was showing the way to do it to change it all the time. And he mentioned that once you have the parallel dimension tool or any of the dimension tools, you can change from decimals to fractions on a fly. You can change, how close you want the variable, and you can change the millimeters. You can change it to millimeters that quick. But and that is great, and I thank him for bringing that out. I did know that, but that only changes it for this version, this session. When you close down Corel, you're going to have to go change those back. The way I showed earlier is go to Tools, Customization, Toolbox, Dimension Tools, and then you would set all this. You could set it on inches, millimeters, points, feet, yards, anything you wanted. And I like fractions, so we're going to set it on fraction. Then when you hit OK, and then when you save that, when you go to Tools, you go to Save as Default, it's going to save that. So every time you draw the next time, it's going to come up with what you want. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.